Imagine going from making a measly couple $100s a month to making up to almost $3,000 per month every single month at 17 years old after only 2 weeks. This is the real true story of Nicko, a student who joined my private members community Video Production Plus, and after only 2 short weeks of applying the principles, he landed a client, Clicks.
We actually just hired him. Literally.
A huge streamer, 2 million followers on Twitter, paying him thousands and thousands of dollars a month purely based off the principles we talk about inside Video Production Plus. There's going to be so much value in this story for you, a video editor on the come up, or video editors watching this who already have a clientele, but again can take value in the principles that Nicko applied to growth hacking his career as a freelance video editor. He was 17, making arguably peanuts, a couple $100 a month. Now he's making up to 3,000 plus a month. Without further ado, let's start breaking it down. So let's rewind a little bit, right? Nicko actually joined VP Plus with just one single client, making a couple $100s a month. We're doing bi-weekly live sessions inside Video Production Plus, right? You can come inside, we can have a chat, you can ask some questions that maybe you're trying to work through. We can also showcase things that are working, right? Every single week, I'm putting forward front and center success stories, things that have worked for me. Maybe I've landed a new client, or the success stories in Video Production Plus, people who are crushing it that we can learn from inside the community. This is Nicko right here. The young legend joined, and he didn't just sit there listening passively. He got actively involved in the conversation. He was asking questions, he was discussing, which is why, like anything, the more you get involved in something, the more you participate, the more you're actually going to be able to extract in terms of value for yourself. Nicko jumped off, and he got a lot of value from the call that we had. It was a lot of fun having him involved. He posted this afterwards. I've joined Video Production Plus, and I'll be giving you an update every day for 30 days to let you know what I take away from the subscription, but personally, I've already gained so much value. We then told Nicko, listen, the next step for you after this call is to go watch our Outreach Masterclass. The VP Plus Outreach Masterclass is a 20-episode, 4.5-hour program exclusive to VP Plus members, produced by myself, of course, yours truly, breaking down how to outreach to clients as a freelance video editor. It breaks down a couple different things. 1, how to go directly to them, and 2, how to leverage the power of social media and personal branding to attract inbound leads, aka clients that you don't have to hunt for, that actually hunt for you and come directly to you. I'm about to showcase to you how Nicko was about to do just this. So Nicko gets off the call, comes over, watches the Outreach Masterclass, specifically the personal branding section, and of course, the Twitter section. And what he was about to do next was nothing, revolutionary, didn't reinvent the wheel. He just used a popular viral format that we talk about in VP Plus to massively amplify the reach of his skills. What Nicko did was he went and took a popular YouTuber's videos, Clicks. This is a massive streamer. I think Clicks has 2 million followers just on Twitter alone. God knows how many he has on YouTube. This is a big boy streamer right here. Nicko took Clicks' video and did a before and after. He took the original content and simply made it better. This is a very popular viral format. You take a video, you re-edit it, you make it much, much, much better, and you put them side by side. And obviously anybody watching this can see, oh wow, I can see how much truly better the video is after Nicko's edits. Now, what did Nicko do? Nicko put this out there to his own following, and he used the VP Plus Connect tab. Inside Video Production Plus, another value add is we have the Connect tab. We have people who are able to post their tweets and actually get some more awareness on their content. This is a great place for people to build their original following. Even if you have 0 followers, you can join VP Plus, you can make some content, you can put it in our Connect tab, and you'll gain 5, 10, 20, 30, 50 different followers, depending on obviously the quality of the content. So Nicko had 2 things on his side. He already had an initial following, right? A few people who were engaging with his content on Twitter just organically off his own channels. And then he weaponized the power of the VP Plus community and amplified the reach. He had even more people engaging with it. Now, this obviously worked. You can see it's gone viral now. 80,000 views, 462 likes, some bookmarks, some retweets, etc. And this is massively pushed forward originally by the VP Plus community as well. They're getting involved, they're engaging with it, and overall this post got some traction and actually spread so far that the streamer Clicks himself ended up seeing this and yes, hiring Nicko for a full-time position. Let's go ahead and play that clip. We've got it over here. It's pinned on Nicko's actual page. We can go ahead and watch this right now.
Nightmare blunt rotation. What does that mean? We actually just hired him. Literally, that's why I was late. If you want me to be honest, that is why I was late. We actually just hired him. I swear on everything. Chat, tell me how fire he is. Oh, you waited like 2 seconds after I said it.
Look, what do you guys
What's up,
thought of it?
It's Clicks. Welcome to the first video of this channel.
Nice.
And a lot of people doing reactions, so we're
He
starting
edited,
off.
like,
And
everything,
we're with
bro, and
a
it's much
special
better.
guest, Lacey. Bro, why was that delayed?
So you hear what he's saying. He edited everything and it's much better. This is a fantastic format which got in front of the streamer. The streamer's now hired Nicko, one of our VP Plus students. A couple weeks ago, this was just a regular kid making a couple $100 a month. Now he's working with a multi-million subscriber YouTuber. He's tapped in heavily with the manager. Who knows what other future positions this can lead to, right? And all of it came off the back of a simple viral format, which is, again, just one of the many strategies we talk about in terms of how to growth hack Twitter, how to build a personal brand and attract inbound leads to you. This is incredible. Nicko didn't sit down and think, I'm going to have to outreach to Clicks. Maybe I'll message Clicks' mom. No, Nicko created content, put it out there, used his own following, plus a bit of amplification from the VP Plus community to give it a push in the right direction, to spread the reach, to amplify the reach of this content. And it actually made its way in front of Clicks' manager. And they hired Nicko, who's, debating his parents. Do I go to school? Do I go to university? I'm not too sure. And now the universe has opened up and smacked a full-time position. Nicko now at 17 years old has location freedom off the $3,000 a month he's making. He could get up and go to Thailand if he wanted to. He has time freedom. He can wake up. He can make his own hours, etc. Truly revolutionary stuff for a 17-year-old. That's life-changing stuff right there. It came completely off the back of joining VP Plus, getting involved in the conversation. This wasn't someone who passively joined. I want to say that. This is Nicko right here, the young legend, right? Dude's got a full beard. He might not look 17. We can debate in the comment section. Maybe he's lying to make the story more impressive. I'm a 17-year-old video editor. Really, he's 34. So listen, key takeaways, I've got a few for you. Number one, a personal brand is way more powerful than a portfolio. No one will ever type in your portfolio. jackcolevisuals are cool.com. They'll never type that in, but they do stand a chance of stumbling across a viral tweet of mine. A personal brand through Twitter, through Instagram, etc. has reach. People can actually find it. It has the ability to be stumbled across. So build a personal brand. Join VP Plus. You'll gain your first 50 followers off the back of the Video Production Plus community. It's an amazing cheat code. Nicko was good. If the video wasn't genuinely good, then Clicks wouldn't be able to react to it and say, wow, look at this guy. He did all the edits. He's made everything better. It wouldn't have gotten anyone's attention if it wasn't good. There's no cheat code to turning in half-assed bad work and then anybody taking it seriously. Nicko didn't join and just listen to the content. He's been proactive every single day. The dude doesn't sleep. I wake up at 8 a.m. I see a tweet from him 2 hours ago. I tweeted him back. I said, go to bed, Nicko. But overall, the moral of the story is that there's crazy opportunities on the internet. Nicko proves that there is, for the people who are willing to put the work in, for the people who are willing to build the skill set, which is in demand, and also just be proactive and get the word out there and be vocal about it, you can manifest some truly incredible results off the back of a network, some good skills, and just the ability to amplify the reach of your content through social media. Incredible stuff. Another win for personal branding and another win for VP Plus, the Video Production Plus community. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm going to encourage you to watch this video right here. This is another VP Plus success story, Pranav, who used social media again to growth hack and led multiple clients paying significant wages for his edits. He lives in India, so the cash he's getting for this video would be good for even someone living in America, the UK, and India. It's absolutely incredible cash. Click the video. An awesome story by an absolute young hustler, Pranav. I'll see you there.